Hello there, my name is Dr. Han, and today I would like to share with you some tips and tricks in order for you to get a more accurate result when you are using one of these RTK Rapid Test Kits. Tip number 1. No food, no drinks, no water, no smoking at least 30 minutes before you do the test. The best time to do the test is actually right after you wake up. Tip number 2. Use a test kit that comes with a nasal swab. In the case of this brand, Pro Biomed, not only you can get samples from your nose with the nasal swab, and you can get samples from your saliva as well. This ensures you have the best chance of capturing the virus from both of your samples. If you wish to use other brands, it is fine as well. There are more than 120 approved brands by the Ministry of Health on the market right now. The only ones I do not recommend are the ones that are the lollipop type, that you put them underneath your tongue to collect your saliva samples. That is because most of the time the virus are residing behind your throat or inside your nose. So if you use those type, you may miss and they may give you inaccurate results. Tip number 3. Technique to get good samples. If you are using a nasal swab, before you go in and swab your nose, make sure you blow your nose a few times on each side. This is to make the walls of your nose wet, so when you are going in, it will be easier for the swab to collect your samples. And in order to collect your saliva, first give it a minute and let your saliva pool at the bottom of your mouth. You can massage your cheek in order to help the secretion of the saliva. Then slowly and gently let your saliva flow into the funnel and into the collection chamber for 1 ml or to the demarcation that your test kit requires you to. The level of bubbles is not counted. Lastly, if the instruction of the test kit asks you to add 3 drops to the test kit, you add 3 drops. It's not like the more the merrier and you go ahead and flood the whole well. If the instruction asks you to read the results within 10 to 15 minutes, you follow the instruction and don't come back after 45 minutes to read the results, because it will be invalid or inaccurate by then. Well, that's all I wanted to share with you today. If you like hanging out with me, do check out and follow my Facebook page and my YouTube channel, Gigi Han, and I will see you next time. Bye!